We've had family members that have vehicles with OnStar that have said, oh, I let that lapse. I didn't see a need for it. And we have told them how important it was to us. I'm Sheryl Roberts. I'm a mother of 3 and a grandmother of 13.
My name is David Lee Roberts, and I'm a retired Navy air traffic controller. It was my birthday weekend, and we were going down to Granbury, Texas to just get away for a couple of days.
As we were getting onto the highway, we noticed a car on the shoulder of the road, an old pickup.
And all of a sudden, he started to move. He was making a complete U-turn on the highway in front of me. At the impact, it was 60 to 0 in the blink of an eye. That was probably about the time that I had blacked out when the airbags deployed.
As soon as the vehicle stopped, OnStar came on, giving us calm reassurance that they knew what was going on, they were sending help, and within a matter of minutes, we had EMS on the scene. They were able to get in behind David and put a collar around his neck and get him out of the car. Without OnStar, I think I would have been very panicked. That voice calmed the whole situation down. She was exactly what I needed in that moment. That got us through that experience.
After what we've been through, I'll never have a vehicle without the OnStar system.